Hey guys, if you mine CTO on the Satoshi app, you have until September 18 to link your wallet address for the airdrop. And today I'll be showing you how to do it. So the first thing to do is to open your Satoshi app and make sure you're on the airdrop tab. On the airdrop tab, tap on the wallet icon and scroll till you find the CTO project. Once you see it, tap on it. And now you see the option to link your wallet address. So tap on this. So as usual, you need to provide your Ethereum address, paste your Ethereum address here and your asset password here. If you don't know how to get your Ethereum address, check out the guide in the description. So after providing your wallet address and asset password, click this button to continue. You'll be asked to confirm your withdrawal address. So check it one more time to ensure it's the correct address. If you're happy with it, tap confirm. And now a verification code will be sent to the email address linked to your Satoshi app. Once you get the code in your inbox, paste it here and tap confirm. And now your wallet address should be linked successfully. If you're asked to complete the I'm not a robot verification, do so and your withdrawal address will be linked. So tap close. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more CTO and Satoshi mining updates, crypto airdrops, tips and tutorials. If you haven't joined the Center testnet, sign up right now using the link in the description and get started on the testnet. Don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and join some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So link your withdrawal address for the CTO airdrop. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.